So as we have discussed yesterday, they have different data center on all these zones, or on all these countries. They have the data center which we can create. It depend where you wanted to create. Even we are in India, still we can create on United States. The distributor engine which we are going to deploy, it's on the Mumbai data center, but still it will work. So it does not matter where you're going to install the distributor engine, where their data center are, but still as per their recommendation, we had to set up the nearest one. So if in case there is a connectivity from your zone to that site, it won't create any problem. So can you select any data center as per your convenient and click continue. Okay, now this is asking for your subdomain. So subdomain, in the sense, you can see on the top, this is like portal.thycotic.com. So it will create the similar, whatever organization you are working. Basically they use their first name as a organization, then rest of the name will be .secretservercloud.co.uk. So that website will be like this, whatever name you will give in the first domain, and rest of the site will be there. So when you're going to type the website, it will be like this. Can you please give some name? As you can use your first name. Okay, scroll down. So it will be your first name dot secret servercloud.co.uk. Click continue, please. Please accept the license, and on the below you had to click no, we are not EU citizens. Accept. Can you scroll up, please? Little more. Okay, so see, it's going to build your tenant. It will take around, as we mentioned yesterday, take around 10 to 15 minutes. You will receive a email that your tenant is created and you are good to go with the product login. This is how we can deploy the product. I hope you guys understood how easy is the deployment. Now only one thing is pending. We are supposed to install the distributor engine on our on-prem, or maybe on cloud, or maybe on VMware. We will go through, but the deployment is how it is. Within a span of 10 minutes or 15 minutes, I'm able to deploy the product. You does not require a big team to do the deployment. Okay, so this is the cloud version. I hope everyone getting the tenant creation email.
No,
No,
Vinay,
Vinay.
we haven't received
No,
yet.
Vinay.
Vinay,
No,
while
Vinay.
creating that one, you had selected unselected the for the EU citizen, right? What is the reason for that?
So they have different set of policies there in that particular zone. That's the reason we have selected that.
Okay, okay. It differs the policies on based on zones as well in the
Yeah, so
coding.
they have some kind of restriction there in EU. That's the reason, not differ the policy from the product point of view, because every country have different kind of laws. So
Okay,
they,
okay.
that particular country have different set of laws in order to use the product. So as we discussed yesterday, the main use of this product, not only password rotation, as well for audit compliance. They say audit team, they will do the audit, internal audit, and they will check, are you going to follow all the complaints, and then based on those complaints they will give you the rating. Like, I hope you heard about ISO. So this company is so and so ISO, likewise. So they do a lot of audit, and then they will get this kind of feedback.
I
Okay,
believe that is
thank you.
because of GDPR compliance. That's why they said to unselect
Yes.
the. Yes, right.
Okay, so team, let's do one thing. On the meantime, we will just go through on the Zamir system. I hope you guys will get that email. It's just like it taking some time, but soon you will get that email. So Zamir, on the meantime, can you please share your screen if you have received the tenant creation so we can proceed?
Yeah, I have not received any further email
Okay, no issues.
tenant
Then
creation.
let's wait for 5 minutes.
Yeah,
Yeah,
Vinay, regarding AWS instance, we have two options. Like with my name, Mukul AD server, and the another one is Mukul hyphen DE. So I need to download the DE one or the AD server or both.
No, as of now, we are going to connect to the distributor engine. That will be our primary requirement to install the engine so we can connect to our environment. But first, first thing we have to create this tenant.
Okay,
So
okay.
if you have received the tenant creation, please complete the process.
Not yet. Waiting for the mail.
Okay. So we will see what's wrong with that tenant creation, but soon it will work, or else I will check what's wrong with that portal during the break. So
yeah,
team
I
just
received now. Yeah,
okay. So, yeah. So please share your screen.
yeah,
Okay. So you can see you will receive an email, and on the bottom you can see this will be your username, and it will ask you to set up the password as well. So your tenant is ready and you are good to log in. Click on accept invite, please. So as we have again discussed yesterday, everything is there on the cloud, nothing is there on the on-prem as of now. Can you scroll down to this bottom and accept the invite, the terms and conditions, and click proceed. And on the top, you can see your website will be this one. Whenever you need to log in, you're going to use this particular portal in order to log in. So it will be this one or else the secret server cloud.co.uk because your tenant is present on UK. Okay, now can you please set up the password? And this is your admin account. As of now, we haven't created any account or not done any aid integration. So first we will see how to create few local users and then we will do the aid integration as well. So team, if in case you're not getting that email, we will take quick 15-minute break after this. I will set up the account for everyone and then we will start the process again.
Okay.
So Vinay, you can get this created for me also, right? In this time.
Yes, I will do that right
Oh,
now.
thanks, Vinay. Thank you.
Okay. So team, let me quickly show you what are the options we have on this portal and how this portal look like. So Zamir, can you please go to administrator? Okay. Click on user management. It's you click on users. So basically here on this particular option, we can create the users. So all the users will be there on the local application. Is not our Active Directory users. It's not any system users or anything. So if in case you need any user who going to log into this portal, you can click on add user and we can create the users locally on the application. And this is our admin user who have full access in our environment. So again, normally in the production environment, we don't use the default user. There will be another user we supposed to create, and we have to use that account, not this default account. Okay. So let me quickly show you how to create the users, and then we will take the break. On the meantime, I will set up the account for everyone again. So Zamir, can you please click on add user? You can give a username like logon name. You can use the email address if you have, or use the same email address.
So we can
Okay.
use the duplicate address, right? I mean,
Uh, yes, we
same
can use
address for.
it because when you're going to log in, you're going to use that username, login name. We cannot use, but let's try, give it a try. As of now, we don't have any
Yeah.
email address, so let's give it a try, or else we will use some random email address. Now, can
Okay.
you enter the display name? Yeah, as well enter the domain name there on the top.
Yeah, it's
Same use, you can use pulsecure.co.in.
Vinay, what is this user you're creating?
Yeah,
test
so
user.
test user we are creating for application. So as of now, we connected to this application
Hmm.
using a default account. We are creating another user so we can use that account in order to log in. So as of now, as you logged into Gmail, right? We have created account in Gmail application. Similar thing we are doing. We are creating a user on this application. So we can log in and we can do the task.
Okay.
Okay, can you click on manual and let's set up the password.
You're creating a local account in Delinea server
Correct. We are
instance.
not onboarding any account in Delinea or Thycotic. When I say account, I'm not onboarding any privilege account. I'm just creating a user locally on that Delinea product so I can log into the product.
Some PAM applications provide some super account by default. So a similar
Yeah,
thing you're creating in you.
yes, similar thing, but super account is our default account. The Zamir used that account in order to log in. That's our super account.
Okay.
So this one thing, if you compare this product with Sabrak, in Sabrak you have master account. If in case you forget the password of your admin account, you can use master account. But when we work with the cloud and when we discuss the on-prem environment, there's a huge difference. If something went wrong with this database on the cloud, you are unable to use this account, you have to reach out to the Thycotic or Delinea support team. There is no other option to connect the application. This is one of the huge drawback when we discuss the cloud. If something went wrong with the product, the cloud environment, and I will discuss how to reach out, what are the ways to identify whether your tenant is down or up. We will discuss all those things. But if something wrong with this portal, there is no option to recover. We cannot do anything because we don't have any access to that environment. So please click next. And how to reach out the support team is bit different. I will explain that. There's a pin we had to use from where you can generate the pin and all. I will show you. Now please click next.
We want to have this checked, right?
That's fine. You can check or uncheck. That's not okay. So see here it's asking, do you want to set up this group? So let's select system admin. So as you ask me, like, okay, we are creating a user. Yes, we are creating a user, a admin user, not super user who have full control. It's a admin user, almost a similar access. This admin can do, but this is not our default super user account. Now click add. And this will take some time in order to create the user. Can you refresh, please? Okay, so you can see we have this user created. It's the status is created. When they have logged in, last time login, everything is there. Again, this user is there on my Delinea database. It's not there on my Active Directory because we haven't done any aid integration. So, Zamir, can you please open a window with incognito, new window incognito, and open this URL there, and let's see how you can log in now. I think do you have Chrome? Can you use Chrome or any other browser?
No, our company prevents us from using incognito.
Okay, you have IE? Any other browser you have? So you, or else can, okay, or else do one thing, better not to log out. Just wanted to test. So that's fine. Let's do one thing. If in case you are unable to do, that's fine. We can do it from that AWS server. So can you connect to your AWS machine? Let's do it from there. Go to EC2. So one thing, you are in different data center. Let's go to Mumbai. On the right side top, you are in different data center.
Stockholm.
Go to top. Yes. Go to Mumbai. It's there on the top.
Top only. Okay.
Yeah, Asia Pacific, Mumbai.
Okay, got it.
Okay, go to EC2 now. Okay, click on running instance. So we have created all the instance here. Click on running instance. Okay, search your name on the top. Yeah. So click on AD server as of now. Select your machine and click on connect on the top. It's there on the top. Click on RDP client. Okay, scroll down and download this client. Okay, please click on keep and let's connect. And the password is same, thacotic123.
Okay.
So just for testing purpose, we are going to use a different server altogether so I can show you. If in case you have done something on a different machine, still everything is visible from the different machine because everything is there on the cloud and getting created. And it happened right away. There's no delay. Like you're doing some activity within a span of a minute, it will be there on the environment for other user as well. Can you open Google Chrome and let's try to open the URL and try to log in, please? So when we have started, it is almost 20 minutes before we start this tenant creation. Within a span of 20 minutes, we are able to deploy the product and we are able to achieve this task. So again, just to give you an idea, this product is getting deployed on the cloud, but what they are doing, they are using microservices. It's kind of a DevOps system. They deploy this product on the container and it's very easy to deploy and get the service up and running.
Vinay, one question I have. When we were setting up the tenant,
Yes,
the URL it was showing that uh, subdomain dot secret server cloud dot co dot uk, but here
yes,
it's
correct.
different.
No, you
Zamir
can
dot.
use both. No, you can
Oh,
use both. Actually, as you mentioned, secret server uh, uh, .co.uk, right? What they are
yes.
doing it in like few months back, they are using that particular URL, but now everything is moving to Delinea. They are just doing a brand change to Delinea. So whatever it's there, it's like little old, but in the upcoming version, it will be .delinea. So you can use both the URL. If you try that URL, it will work. You can use this URL as well, but in future, this will be your URL.
Okay. I'm working on one of the project where we have this secret server cloud. Okay.
Okay.
So what information we got from Delinea that this the URL which you see is something called Delinea platform, and all the in gradually all the Delinea products will be integrated, and this product we can use without any VPN. Okay, so as you told, right, that all the URL is still accessible, so that is independent. Okay, but that needs, I know, if you want to access servers from there for a particular client, you need VPN connectivity, but from this it will work without any VPN. But I believe some agent needs to be installed on Linux machine. Yeah, that is like, obviously you will inform, but just
Yes.
for the team here, all of us, all the
Yeah.
team
Oh,
members. Yeah.
sure. Thanks. Thanks a lot.